11:49. Bingo started at 11:30, and we just drove from Milpitas to Stockton, and we're hella late, but we're coming to play late night. We literally booked the room on the way, and now you're stuck with us for the weekend. So we're literally, I don't know, we're crazy. We're crazy. Hi friend, y'all ready to win some money tonight? We just came from, she did 90 here all the way.
Up here, 95.
Exactly.
They only get one.
Hi guys, we got room 222. Oh, sorry. What time is it? It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, but oh, 3:52 a.m. We are about to eat. We got Jack. I paid $7 for water and Gatorade, but we're about to eat and go to bed. Good night. Spicy good sauce. If you ever go to Jack in the Box, bust. Fries. A junior jumbo Jack. I don't know why I asked for that. I was half asleep when I asked for that. And onion rings. This is supposed to be a small, but it's quite large. And what did you get? Oh, this looks pretty good, babe. This looks busting. What is this? A number 7. Diet Dr. Pepper. And hold on. My Gatorade, that was $5 at the hotel lobby. And this toilet water, Dasani, yeah, it's $2. $7 drink. We're gonna eat and go to bed. So good night. Good night. All right, guys, we're back, and we look. Well, I look rough. Let me not.
I look a mess.
Let me not speak for others. It is 1:55. I just woke up like 45 minutes ago. Didn't go to sleep till like 4. We're taking the long trek to eat breakfast. Literally so far away. Anyway, so we're gonna eat at Denny's. You know, the usual, same place as the last vlog, and we like to keep it consistent for you guys. Just kidding. So we're gonna get Denny's.
So
and
far away.
It's literally so far, literally where's the freeway? Where's the freeway? To get up. Are you parked?
We're here.
We're here.
Yeah, made it from our hotel to Denny's. So.
It was so hard. It was such a long trek. But we're gonna eat Denny's, and we'll show you what
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll show you what y'all ate.
Yeah. I'm still asleep, guys. And then we're gonna go get snacks.
Maybe.
And then
we
to
might go
bingo.
get set up our stuff, and then we'll go leave.
It's gonna be packed today because the Powerball is at
11,500.
11,500. That means if I win, I'm gonna win on $5,000 and 11,500. I'm gonna walk away with $16,000. 16,500. Really 16,000 because I'm gonna spend 5 back.
Yeah.
It'll just be like that. Okay, bye. Are you in here?
Yes.
What are you gonna get?
This one.
Oh, thank you so much.
And this one. And this one. And this one.
All of those? Oh, are you gonna share with me? No? Okay, sorry.
Yeah, chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. What do you put on?
French vanilla. French vanilla. Would you like some coffee?
This vanilla.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
Okay.
I want sugar though. A little bit of coffee.
Okay. putting our stuff together, and I wanted to show you that I'm a professional, and I put my papers together like.
What is going on? How are you supposed to play that? But you're a professional.
This is good luck.
You're a professional.
This is good luck. I turn my paper upside down to flip my luck. Reverse it. Uno. Reverse. Thank you.
6 hours later.
What? How much is that? $1,400? Is it a half? It's a half pay. You know, you're such a cutie. Oh my god. Oh my god.
My first hand pay, guys. Oh shit.
Oh my god. Oh,
Time to go. Time to fucking go. I love this game. And I said I wanted to play
You did. You're welcome for telling you which one.
Again, give me 2,000. If I'm gonna sign some taxes, give me 2,000. Give me 2,000.
Oh my god.
Again.
Come on.
Again,
One more.
Again. Hundreds. Oh my god. 2,000.
After we just said we were to make a commotion. Your favorite song. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god.
I said I wanted 5,000.
Oh my god. I thought you said it was 24. You put added to your 17 or whatever you already had. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whose idea was this? Oh my god.
One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141,
driving home.
We
What's up?
went to Sky River because Kayla was not ready to be picked up. And I just want a little sunlight. I'll insert picture right here. What are you doing?
Oh, it was a great night.
It was so funny. We were laughing so hard. It was so funny. But we didn't win that bingo. But we had fun. It was fun.
Fun.
We're back home. I think I said that already. I'm contemplating if I want to eat something. She just had a little leftover pizza. It is what time?
2:55 in the morning.
2:55 in the morning. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to daytime tomorrow, but we'll find out in a few hours. But yeah, guys, that was fun. That's the most I've ever won at one time, and I've never gotten a hand pay before. And at Sky River, literally, we talk so much about that casino. It's so bad. We talk so much shit about that casino.
It's still bad. Like, who offered us a drink today?
Hey, they paid me though.
They go buy your own drink.
They need a drink. I got paid. But we will see you guys tomorrow. And I'll try to remember to vlog since I didn't really vlog at Winners. But we're going to Milpitas tomorrow. But this is life. This is life behind the scenes. The sushi hurt my stomach. We had sushi during the live. That really hurt my stomach really bad. I did not agree. And then we were going to go to McDonald's, and McDonald's was closed. And the line for Jack was like 15 cars deep. So, good night.
Good night.
Be back tomorrow before Milpitas. Good morning.
Surprise. I get to play daytime.
I'm sleepy.
Me too.
We are on our way to daytime. We're crazy. We are absolutely crazy. We are insane. And that's what happens when you're obsessed with bingo.
I literally woke up, rolled over, and her eyes were wide open. Can you drop me off at bingo?
I was like this.
No, good morning.
Can you drop me off at bingo? I said, good morning, honey. Hi, how did you sleep?
Take me to bingo.
She rolled over and I was like, can you drop me off at bingo? So we don't just take 2 cars.
And I was like, wait, why can't I go?
Uh-oh, phone's ringing. So yeah, we're on our way.
We'll get there right when the games start.
Literally right when the games start. I had to get, shout out to Pam. Shout out to Pam because she's getting our flash for us. I already texted her. Said, are you at MCB right now? Because we are running very late and I want 10 of everything. Because they sell out. A lot of the games they don't sell out. They're still going to have bet money. They're still going to have Casino City, Dragon's Den, and what's the other one they always play? They are going to be out of Mad Catter. And that's the one I always miss. And Popeye and the race. Whatever race they do, Pink Panther. So yeah, I need those. But look at how she's determined. She's driving. All right, guys, but we're gonna go live. If you want to see whether we won or not, you have to go and watch the live.
It's gonna be titled. If you watch this vlog, the live is gonna be titled. Can I get a ride to bingo?
Can I get a ride to bingo? Go look for it. Go to our page and go under the live section, and it's gonna say, can I get a ride to bingo? And that's gonna be that live that we're talking about right now. Okay. So we'll see you. We're gonna go to Walmart maybe during the break and get some snacks for our snack bag, because our snack bag is empty.
That's why we're so skinny.
That's why we're so slick.
Been eating snacks.
Yeah, but we'll be back later, guys. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hasta la pasta. Okay, we left bingo early, first of all. We didn't even play speed because I didn't want to stay. Sorry if you did. But did you want to stay?
No, I know that you wanted to get home early because
I have a very long week. Monday, it's gonna be a crazy week. At my job, I transitioned to a new position, and it just like comes with way more stuff to handle, and I really have to get some rest. Even if it's 30 more minutes, it makes a difference to just lay there for 30 minutes. But anyways, what did you win?
Burning bacon. $12.50. $1,250. Yeah, that's what we went tonight. There was something else I had to say. Oh, we had Wingstop for lunch. We couldn't record because we didn't record, right? Because the music was on. So we ate at the hall and the music was on.
We ate lunch with Pam.
We ate lunch with Pam, and yeah, it's pretty much what we did.
And Letty took a nap. She laid on me and took a nap. I'll put the picture right here.
You will?
And then we just opened a bunch of tabs. And if you want to watch the live from this real time, the title on that one is A Chill Night at Bingo. And that's when she won. And we literally had a chill night at Bingo. That's what I wanted. I'm happy. I have to go, my Old Navy package came. I have to go try on a bunch of jeans. I ordered like 8 pairs of jeans. And Mama Juanita cooked. I don't know what she cooked, but it looks so good in the picture she sent us. Oh my gosh. And some rice. And I think
flautas?
I think that's what it is. I'm about to tear it up. But I'll try to remember when we get home to record and say goodnight and do the outro to this vlog. Remind me. If I don't remember, we love you guys and thank you so much for following us this weekend behind the scenes. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, if you didn't enjoy this, if you don't care what we do,